We'll guide you through how to stretch text in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. After the application launches, go to the Project panel. Then drag the media clip directly onto the timeline to create or place it in a sequence where you want to add text. Once the clip is visible in the timeline, press T on the keyboard to activate the Type tool. Next, click on the program monitor, then type the text you want to add to the video. The text will appear over the video clip in the timeline. After typing the text, switch back to the Selection tool so you can adjust the text settings and modify its appearance more easily. Then go to the Properties panel located on the left side of the interface. This panel provides several controls that allow you to customize the style and layout of the text. If needed, change the font type according to your preference. For example, you can use Poppins to give the text a clean and modern look. After selecting the font, adjust the font size according to your design needs so the text appears clearly on the screen and remains readable in the video frame. Continue scrolling down in the Properties panel until you find the Appearance section. If you want the text to stand out more, enable the Stroke option in the Stroke section to add an outline around the text. If necessary, click on the Stroke Color box. Change the stroke color according to your preference, then click OK to apply the color. You can also adjust the stroke width to control the thickness of the outline based on your design needs. Next, scroll down again until you find the Align and Transform section. In this section, click the Set Scale Lock icon to disable the Uniform Scaling option. This allows you to adjust the width and height of the text independently. Adjust the width scale value by dragging the slider to the right or left to stretch the text horizontally according to your needs. Then adjust the height scale value by dragging the slider to the right or left to stretch the text vertically. Alternatively, you can also stretch the text directly from the program monitor by dragging the text handles until it reaches the desired size and proportion for your design.